All right, guys, let me show you why you do not let your trailer wheel bearings go too long until failure. This one right here stranded us on the side of the road. Just used the old grinder and got it off. Still have to get this piece of it removed and clean everything up. You see what that looks like? That's what it should look like. So I didn't know, but most toy haulers and campers now have sealed bearings on them that you just swap out every 5 years or 100,000 miles. My model of camper, it's a 2012. It's got a grease fitting right here. I'm supposed to pop these caps off at least once a year and pump some grease in there. I never did. Thought it had seal bearings, and so I had a failure on the side of the road. Now, if you have anything any older than 2009, then you probably have regular bearings. So those have to be hand packed, you know, once or twice a year or whatever is what they recommend. So I'm paying for lack of maintenance right now. Well, Mason is.